We talk a lot about Charon, Pluto's largest moon that is half the size of its host planet. But what about the other 4 smaller moons? They are interesting, to say the very least. Pluto's 4 smaller moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, are differently fascinating than Charon. These moons are each 20 to about 50 times smaller than Charon, they aren't round like Charon, and unlike pretty much every moon in the solar system, they are not in synchronous rotation with their host planet. They don't always show one face to their host. Instead, they are spinning incredibly fast. Hydra, for example, the most distant of the 4, spins 89 times for every orbit it makes around Pluto. New Horizons mission scientists suspect these chaotic spin rates could be due to Charon exerting a strong torque on the bodies that stops them from settling into a more common synchronous rotation. But that's not all. These small moons also wobble far more than scientists expect small moons to wobble. They behave like spinning tops more than anything else. This uncommon movement could be explained by observations that suggest these 4 moons were formed when multiple smaller moons merged, which means at some point in Pluto's history, likely in the aftermath of the theorized impact that formed Charon, the tiny planet had more than 5 moons, but the smaller moons coalesced into the ones we see today. And it's worth noting that these are Pluto's only moons. Mission scientists did expect to find more moons when New Horizons reached the Pluto system, more leftover debris from the impact, but found nothing. Pluto only has the 5 moons that we discovered from the Earth.